Is it time to buy or sell QQ ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into QQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 20th of June, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since May 3rd, 2024, our system has ranked QQQ as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.95. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 10.56% since we first listed QQQ as a buy candidate 33 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.32% per day since it was listed as buy candidate. The ETF lies in the upper part of a wide and weak rising trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good selling opportunity for the short-term trader, as reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. A breakup at the top trend line at $485.84 will firstly indicate a stronger rate of rising. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential 8.82% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between negative 0.260% and 9.80%. As for the 12-month trend, it suggests a 29.86% change over the next 12 months, with a potential return between 12.13% and 30.99%. This translates to a price range of $539.85 to $630.66 after a year. Our latest daily update for QQQ includes the headline: QQQ ETF price ended at $481.47 on Thursday, after losing 0.771%. The QQQ ETF price fell by negative 0.771% on the last day, Thursday, 20th of June, 2024, from $485.21 to $481.47. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 1.50% from a day low at $479.64 to a day high of $486.84. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 3.87% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day by 8 million shares, but on falling prices. This may be an early warning, and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 32 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $15.52 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of ETF was $486.86, and the lowest price was $342.35. Currently, the price is 1.11% or $5.39 below the 52-week high of $486.86, which is also the all-time high for ETF. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. The QQQ ETF holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $478.55 and $455.48. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, June 18, 2024, and so far it has fallen negative 0.771%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning, and the ETF should be followed more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence, divergence, buy signal, pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 34 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 29 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 34 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 35 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 145 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQ. On the downside, the ETF finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $438.37 and $431.06. There is a natural risk involved when an ETF is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the ETF then may fall to the next support level. In this case, QQQ finds support just below today's level at $438.37. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $431.06 and $414.65. This ETF is usually traded at a good volume, and with minor daily changes, the risk is considered to be low. During the last day, the ETF moved $7.20, 1.5% between high and low. For the last week, the ETF has had daily average volatility of 1.07%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for QQQ, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low PE ratio could signal a low expectation for the future of the company or that the stock is undervalued, indicating a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $485.06. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at $438.37. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $468.96, a decrease of 2.6%. This ETF has low daily movements, resulting in low risk. The RSI 14 is 87, significantly increasing the risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top identified 42 days ago. Is QQQ ETF a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a general good trend, are positive, and we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity as there is a fair chance for QQQ ETF to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, June 21st, we expect QQQ to open up $1.18 and start trading at $482.65. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.